All rise. We will aver.
The witness claims she observed a pickup loaded with drums driving about in the area, claiming the vehicle belonged to the Chief of Kimumu.
What sort of drums were these?
Require black.
Now, to the best of your knowledge, do you know why they were going to and fro with these drums in the back of their pickup?
Chief Sang na Sami Ruto walikuwa.
Answer: Chief Sang and Sami Ruto were going back and forth just to gain some time, and that way the group from Ziwa and the other group from Beta Farm, they were waiting for those groups to arrive so that they could begin their work.
That group of young people, she said, traveled on foot. Another group from Iten was, however, the first to arrive.
And if you can remember, how was the visibility on that day, at that time?
Ilikuwa mchana, kulikuwa na mwanga.
What happened next?
Wakati ule iso kudibiri walikutana.
They started to burn everything. We were surrounded by fire everywhere.
What was being burnt?
Walikuwa wanachoma manyumba.
Only those houses belonging to the Kikuyu people were razed down, according to the witness.
And these Kikuyu houses that were being burnt, what were they made out of?
Na zenye zilikuwa zimejengwa samawe.
Others in wood and others built in pize, says the interpreter, the witness, which is compressed earth, so to speak.
Could you see if they were armed or not?
Sikuona silaha kwa sababu nimesema.
I was at a location which was half a kilometer from where they were.
For almost 3 hours, she watched as the arson attack escalated.
Wale maaskari tulikuwa nao walituambia hivi.
You have seen how this situation is deteriorating. So henceforth, each person must save themselves.
And I understand that you were subsequently transported to the Eldoret police station, is that correct?
Tulipelekwa huko.
The lorry that was available to rescue them had to make 4 trips to the police station in order to carry everyone.
And you put your children on the first lorry, is that correct?
Dio.
And you took the third?
Dio.
Now the lorries that were transporting you, were they full?
Watu walikuwa wanajaa.
Now, is it correct, witness, that these lorries were not covered, but they were open at the back?
Ni ukweli.
So were you able to see what was happening on the road as you were being transported?
Tukienda Eldoret police station, kulikuwa.
There were roadblocks. At that time, there were some Kalenjin women nearby. They were talking to us and they said things like Madoa Doa, Zangari, go back to Utaya.
Walikuwa na mawe yenye walikuwa wanaturusia kwa gari.
When Sang's defense team rose to cross-examine her, the witness appeared to take a defensive tone.
I'd like for all of us, including yourself, to listen to an audio of Kikuyu, and this is on Kasa FM in the morning.
Mimi usijaribu kunipeleka kwa redio kwa sababu sikukuwa kwa redio.
I was speaking about the time that Kikuyu went on television and spoke on television.
Witness, I just want to make a proposition to you. What Kikuyu said on the radio on the 29th of December, because it suggests that you are mistaken.
First of all,
No. Mimi nilisikia kwa TV Kikuyu.
I didn't follow the radio. I wasn't listening to the radio. I wasn't listening to Kas FM. I don't understand Kalenjin. But I know that Kikuyu, when he spoke, he was on television.
The prosecution is expected to bring in another expert witness to testify next week. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.